So I'm going to talk about 3 different things in this video. One, I'm going to talk to you about the #1 reason why so many entrepreneurs lose momentum, and for you to learn exactly what this reason is and do whatever you can for this to never ever happen to you. The second thing I'm going to talk to you about is a question that I asked this past weekend. So many people and nobody had a specific, clear answer to this question. I'm going to ask you. And the third one is a video I made 3 years ago that I want you to watch that'll address everything about momentum. Having said that, let me get right into it. The #1 reason why so many entrepreneurs lose momentum is because of start-stop. Let me explain to you what I mean by start-stop. They start, they get excited. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna get after another. You know, I'm so motivated because I'm gonna do it for my mom, my dad, my husband, my wife, myself. This is so great. And they go from making 3 grand a month, 5 grand a month. Oh my gosh, 10 grand a month, 15, 20, 30 a month. And then at 30 a month, whatever that number is, all of a sudden they go from 30 a month to 17 to 9 to $4,000 a month, and they lost momentum. So what happened there? Because of start-stop. They start and then they stop. Now, why do they stop? Maybe their stomach got full. Maybe they got casual. Maybe they got cocky. Maybe started coming to office a little later. Maybe they thought they knew it all and they became this motivational speaker. I'm just going to go and speak all over the place. That's what I'm going to be doing. And the business starts dropping. But those things become the cause of a business dropping. So now, why does that happen? If it's start-stop, what causes somebody to have so many start-stops? Very simple. The question that most people don't have the answer to is, who do you want to be in life? Let me ask you one more time. Who do you want to be in life? Who? What kind of a life do you want to live? What do you mean by who do I want to be in life? Who do you want to be in life? Do you know what you want to do? Is it just the cars? Is it just for people to say you're cool? Is it just the house? Is it just the, money? Is it just the accolades, the fame? Is that what it is? What is it? Do you want to make an impact? What is your life going to be worth one day? What are people going to say about you when you die? The eulogy is going to be written. What are they going to say about you? Who do you want to be in life? How are your kids going to remember you? What are your parents going to say about you? What are your siblings going to say about you? What are your friends going to say about you? What's their school going to say about you? Or is it just one of those things, boom, you disappear and you're gone, and people come to your funeral one time and then maybe they show up once a year, and then afterwards you're just forgotten about. And you know why that happens? Because most people have no clue who they want to be in life. And I know this sounds kind of strange, but people just have no idea who they want to be in life. You see, years ago, I sat down, and this thing I'm recording with this phone is the #1 reason why so many people don't know who they want to be in life, because they say we touch this phone 150 times a day. That means we don't have a chance to get away from newsfeed, Instagram, all this content we consume, to actually sit down and ask this simple question. Who do you want to be in life? What kind of a life you want to live? What do you want to do with your kids? What do you want to do with your wife, your husband? What kind of a life you want to live? Do you know the answer to those questions? And so whatever that dream is, you can be saying, oh, I want to be this, I want to be that. The bigger the dream is, the longer your run has to be without you stopping. Let me explain. If your dream is to be a billionaire, maybe you got to go on a 20, 30-year run. If your dream is to be a millionaire, maybe you got to go on a 10-year run. If your dream is to make $250,000, maybe you got to go on a 3 to 5-year run. If your dream is to just make 6 figures, maybe you got to go on a 12 to an 18-month run. But whatever that run is, you cannot stop. And every time you stop, that dream gets more distant and distant, and this goes away and away and away from you. Why? Because you're stopping. And to achieve the life that you want to live requires momentum to be in your favor. So #1 reason why so many entrepreneurs lose momentum is start-stop. #2 reason is, who do you want to be in life? They don't have the answer to that question. Think about it. When I ask you that question, did you automatically have the answer? Did you say, well, I want? So if you do that, you don't know it yet. So you got to write it down. If you do write it down, I'd love to know some people that actually know who they want to be in life, what kind of life they want to live. Last but not least, the video I told you that I'm going to recommend for you to watch is a video I made 3 years ago called How to Really Become a Millionaire. I'm going to put the link below for you to go out there and watch. Watch that video. It's an old video. I have a new one that's called How to Make $1 Million Your Income. You can watch that one as well. But how to really be a millionaire, I give very specific formulas where a lot of people don't like, and there's a lot of controversy with this video. But I want you to go watch that video, How to Really Become a Millionaire. And after you watch that video, comment and let me know if you finally know who you want to be in life. Take care, everybody. Let's have a killer week this week. Bye-bye.